Purne manasi sampurnam jagat sarvam sudhadravaihi. When your mind becomes full and complete, when your mind will become complete with what? Gold, silver, house, children, polina thoda. Mind will become full with what? Mind product, not other products. It can become full with love, sympathy, sacrifice. Akhila Jiva Vatsalya is the best way to fill the mind. You start having overflowing Vatsalya, affection for the whole world. When the mind becomes full, Sri Rama, Jagat Sarvam Sudhadravaihi Sampur. The whole world will be filled with nectar when the mind is full. How? Upanad Gudhapadasya Nanu Charmastradaiva Bhu. You don't want to touch the ground at all. You always want everywhere to be carpeted. What should you do? Wear 2 slippers and start walking. Wherever you go, it is covered. So live with a filled mind, fulfilled mind. Wherever you go, whatever you look at, everything will become full.